Alright, so this is the amount of hair that came out from the styling.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step.
Alright guys, I have 25 minutes on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it quickly. Alright, so guys, you already seen the washing portion of this. Now I mentioned that what I'm going to do now is to steam my hair. Alright, so what I do is to use this. It's the olive oil hair mayonnaise to steam my hair. Now I don't have a lot. I have an elastic band in there, but I'm going to use what I have and purchase some more this week, so stay tuned for that. I'm doing a vlog, so you will see when I go and purchase this. All right, so what I'm going to do, I have it in my hand. I take a good amount and I rub it in my hair, massage it in my hair and my we call it edges. Massage it into the hair on the hands, at the back. So this is basically done for today. All of it. I have some little bit more in the bottle, so I rub the back.
She sees a legacy that time can
To
erase.
the scalp.
Each strand a symbol of those one, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Oh, her hair, it tells a tale.
Alright, so it's been longing for a steam. As I mentioned, I only steam my hair usually after going to the hairdresser to get it straightened and get a style. So it's due. It has been probably a year now. I haven't steamed my hair, or probably once I did it since the last time I went to the hairdresser. So it's due for one. So I'm putting it on the ear end, and it's basically done. Look, so I'm gonna take that last bit and put it in my hair, and then I'm gonna put the bag over it. I'm gonna put the last bit on my ear ends to ensure that it is soaked properly in it. Alright. Massage it into the scalp once more. Ensure. Alright, so that is it. So now I'm gonna put a bag over it. Now you can use your, what do you call it now, steam cap. You can use your steam cap if you want, but I'm using this. Alright, so now here it's scratched off. Taking all the hair out, going to wrap it up. Then I'm gonna put my shower cap on, and I'm going to go about my business, and then I'm going to wash it out, and then I'm going to comb my hair, guys. So that is it. So I'm gonna let it steam, and then I come back, wash it out. Alright guys, so I'm back and it's time to wash it out. No, I don't have any water right now. Imagine we live in Jamaica surrounded by water and we can hardly get water. So I have a pan of water I'm going to use to wash out my hair. Ooh, so nice and silky. So nice. Oh yes, my friend. Wow, so nice. You see that, guys? See that, guys? Oh, nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna use the conditioner and wash it out. Look at that. Before I even wash it out, I'm going to add the conditioner.
She sees a legacy that time can erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won.
People do it different, but this is what I do. Either I use the shampoo and rewash it, or I use the conditioner and the shampoo, or the shampoo alone, or I just wash it out. It just depends on how I feel. I think I want my hair to smell nice, extra nice after this mayonnaise thing. So I'm gonna use this conditioner to make it smell good. Good. So that's what I feel today, because I'm going on the road and I want my hair to smell nice.
Crown makes the world spin round. It's
Right.
like a dance she's weaving in the air.
See that, guys? See the juice? See the juice? See the juice?
Every curl a story
Yes, my
bold and
friend.
proud.
Alright, so now I'm going to wash it out.
Without a single sound. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright.
Alright, guys, so I'm on my second wash now. I'm going to wash it out a bit more. So this is how it's looking.
Heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw.
Alright, so I'm going to wash it out properly now.
She breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy.
Alright, so this is how it's looking after it's washed, after steaming. I can tell you that it feels silky. Very silky. Very silky. Alright, guys. So yeah, I'm going to style my hair on the live now. I will see you there, and stay tuned for the actual video. Yes, bye guys.
Alright guys, so what I wanted to do with this video is to take clippings from the live and put it in this video here, but as you can see, the quality of the video is not good. The live was not clear. Usually I go live on my laptop, so I don't know the reason why it's like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do over another styling video, so stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, I'm gonna leave the live up for those who still want to hear and watch, but I'm gonna do over another one so you can see clearly, okay guys? But for right now, I don't have any clips showing me doing my hair. I will do over next one, okay guys? Alright, so this is the amount of hair that came out from the styling. So I did finger detangling and I used the comb also, and this is the amount of hair that came out, guys. This is the amount of hair that came out from that styling. So finger detangling is very good, okay? Alright guys, this is 2 days after the styling. I did it on Thursday. Today is Saturday, and this is it.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air. Locks of beauty twisting everywhere. Every curl a story bold and proud, speaking volumes without a single sound.
It's still moist. So the castor oil, it keeps the moisture in better or longer.
She turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Oh, her hair, it tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun. Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight.
Bye guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.